Welcome to our channel. In today's video we're diving into portfolio level reporting. Based on years of working with our clients, we have prepared a list of the 10 most sought after reports from a portfolio management perspective. Some of these reports will be exactly what you are looking for, while others we hope will serve as inspiration. Remember, improvement is impossible without data collection. So whether you're a project manager, an executive or a data enthusiast, this video will provide you with valuable tips and practices to elevate your reporting game. Let's get started. At Genius Gecko, we specialize in implementing Jira and PPM tools to streamline your project management processes. Our team will guide you through every step, ensuring top management is fully trained and equipped to leverage these powerful tools. We'll share our extensive experience and inspire your team to achieve more. With countless successful implementations, we understand the critical role of reports in data-driven decision-making. That's why we prioritize integrating comprehensive reporting from the very beginning. Achieving effective portfolio level reporting can be challenging due to several factors, such as integrating data from multiple sources and systems, ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Projects may have varying reporting standards and metrics. Also, aggregating data from multiple projects to provide a comprehensive portfolio view can be complex. On top of that, resources such as time, budget and personnel can impact the ability to produce comprehensive portfolio reports. While Jira offers robust project tracking capabilities, portfolio level reporting can be limited due to its complexity in aggregating data across multiple projects and the need for additional apps or integrations to achieve comprehensive insights. When it comes to portfolio level reporting, there are 4 areas of interest that would include strategic alignment and the portfolio value, financial performance of the portfolios, the project execution area, as well as stakeholders and quality. So let's have a look at some reports that will help you to understand what's going on in these 4 different areas so that you can achieve more effective and insightful portfolio level reporting, leading to better decision making and the overall project success. First, let's have a look at the Strategic Portfolio Alignment Score. This is a composite score that reflects how well the portfolio aligns with the strategic goals of the organization. You can assess that qualitatively or quantitatively. After scoring all projects within the portfolio has an average strategic alignment or score of 367. Now you can do it for each goal separately, and if you want to combine all this information in form of a chart, you might want to use some more advanced reporting tools for that purpose. Next is the Portfolio Risk Report. It details the overall risk exposure of the portfolio, including identified risks, mitigation strategies, and the status of your risk. Tools like BigPicture allow you to filter out the risks so that you can focus on the ones that actually need some actions, that are not resolved, accepted, or already mitigated, and keep track of all the mitigation strategies and their implementation. Another useful report, and this time we will move to a reporting dashboard, is the number of projects with a validated business case within the portfolio. Validated meaning documented and approved justification for the investment. Very interesting report that you can create using Jira itself or tools available on the Atlassian's marketplace. Another important report is the overall status of your portfolio. Tools like BigPicture provided upfront whenever you access the tool. For each of my portfolios, I already know what is the status based on the issues within each project, time tracking progress, as well as several other metrics. The next area would be the finances. Now for each of my portfolios, I can view some basic finances with the cost distribution. I can define the budget and show how the costs are distributed across different projects being part of the portfolio, as well as set the cost rate for each of my teams or the average for projects. Another essential project portfolio report is the resource utilization rate, which measures the efficiency of resource allocation and utilization across all projects within the portfolio. In my case, I have it broken down into quarters, so I have 4 quarters of the current year. However, I can also create a cumulative report for a defined period of time. Now keep in mind that this information is available in different forms. While it is very difficult to achieve such a report in Jira, tools like BigPicture provide you the resource utilization rate not only in form of the graphs, but also a more detailed view that can be broken down by team, by project, by portfolio, showing you the actual utilization of available capacity, and this information can be presented in different units and aggregated weekly, monthly, quarterly, by year, or even daily. So a very detailed report showing you exactly what's going on within your portfolio. Another useful report shows the project completion rate on time and within budget. Now this is also available in different forms, so we can go to our reporting dashboard where we will see the planned delays. This report provides a snapshot of all tasks that are behind schedule. It compares the current status of tasks against their baseline end dates, highlighting any discrepancy and delays. You can view delays across all levels of your project hierarchy, from individual tasks to larger epics and initiatives, as well as the schedule variance per team, per assignee. So I know that within my project I do have quite a bit of delay, mostly caused by team TGC, while the team OT is ahead of the schedule. So another useful report that shows me that I might need to take a closer look at my project and investigate what was causing that delays. The dashboard shows you the actual result, but doesn't really focus on the particular task. So if I want to see what is causing the problem or which tasks were affected, I can drill down to the particular project and have this information presented on the timeline in form of a baseline with the actual discrepancy between the end dates of the planned and actual schedule. Another important report, this one is available within Jira, however I think works way better when you actually see it together with the timeline, is the work ratio, which compares the actual logged effort versus the original estimate of the effort and indicates that we are on schedule, and if it exceeds 100%, then that is telling me that we are behind the schedule for whatever reason, which will affect not only the timeline but also the total cost of the project. Another useful report would be to monitor the milestones within the project. Now if there is a deviation between the planned and actual date, this will be shown again here on the timeline, as well in form of a report which shows me that we are behind the baseline, and that definitely needs our attention. Another important report in the area of stakeholder and quality, although when it comes to measuring the satisfaction, usually some form of survey would work best, but a good indicator would be actually to measure the number of change requests by priority. So if there are high priority or critical priority change requests which could impact the project schedule, project scope, or the budget, it's definitely a good metric to look at. As we've explored, portfolio KPIs are essential for driving your organization's success. By effectively measuring and managing your portfolio's performance, you can make informed, data-driven decisions. Now, there are many other tools besides BigPicture that might be more appropriate for your reporting needs. So feel free to reach out for a free consultation to enhance your reporting capabilities and transform your decision-making process with our proven methodology. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what reports you are using. Thank you for watching, and let's unlock the full potential of your portfolio together.